Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the westward expansion. The westward expansion is an important part of American history because it helps us to understand how America came to be what it is today. In this video, we will learn about the westward expansion and how it affected the people involved in the event. Back in the early 1700s, America was only made up of a few colonies. These colonies were the 13 states: Connecticut, Delaware, Georgia, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey, Virginia, North Carolina, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, and South Carolina. Settlers traveled west for many reasons. One main reason was because they could get land for a low cost as part of the Homestead Act. The Homestead Act was passed on May 20th, 1862. It promised 160 acres of land to anyone that paid a small filing fee, agreed to live on the same plot of land for at least 5 years, and made improvements on the land, such as building a home and clearing the land. The land that was part of the agreement was in areas where it was difficult to grow crops. The pioneers not only traveled west because they thought that they would have greater opportunities in new land, but they also believed that it was their manifest destiny. Manifest destiny was the belief that these people were destined to expand and settle across North America. Native Americans had settled in these lands many years earlier, and sadly, Native Americans lost their land. The Native Americans were actually the first groups of people to live in the United States, but because the pioneers strongly believed in the idea of manifest destiny, many Native Americans were forced out of their homes and had to travel elsewhere. Let's discuss further why the pioneers wanted to move. We first have to understand that this was a time where moving was very difficult for people. They had to journey through tough conditions with everything that they had inside of a wagon. Can you imagine having to carry everything you had? These wagons that were pulled by oxen carried the belongings of pioneer families. Sometimes the load was too heavy for the oxen to carry. Pioneers had to face difficult decisions when choosing what to carry along. Items were left along the trail. Items such as dishes and wooden chests were left behind along the trail. To learn more about the westward expansion and why it was so important, check out this product by Literacy and Math Ideas titled Interactive Social Studies Notebook: Westward Expansion and the Pioneers. The link to this product will be provided in the description of this video.